How to download and install Yoshion app on Android. Alright, let's get that Yoshion app onto your Android device. It's a pretty straightforward process, so stick with me. First thing first, you'll need to open the Google Play Store. You can see my Google Play Store right over here. Just tap on it and go inside it. So basically, it's a colorful little triangle icon that you can find on your phone. Once you're inside, you will be seeing this type of interface. Now what you have to do is just simply tap on search icon in bottom right corner. It's over here. Tap on it, then tap on the search bar and search for Yoshion right over here. And you can see the Yoshion app right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside the app page. Once you're inside it, you will see a big blue button that says install. Just give it a tap and the app will start downloading and installing automatically. And let's wait for a while. That's pretty much of it. Once installation is complete, you will see a Yoshion app icon appears on your home screen or in your app drawer, or you can just tap on this open right over here and start using it. So to recap, open the Play Store, search for the Yoshion, tap on the install and you are good to go. Let me know in the comments if you hit any snacks. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.